Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite. In this video I'll show you first setup of this smartphone. As on any other smartphone, the first setup starts with hello screen. Tap start to progress. Select your location, agree to agreements and terms. Now you can set up using another device or you can skip it. Connect it to Wi-Fi. Now, you have to create or use your previous screen lock. Sign in to your Google account or skip. Set up unlock method or skip. Now select your browser and set it as default. Same with the search engine. Now you can enable automatic updates, send usage and diagnostic data, enable TWS service, select navigation system between three buttons and gesture navigation, and tap get started. Your smartphone has been set up. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.